Hi, do you want to increase your sales? Discover the secrets to creating a sales funnel that turns leads into high-ticket customers. Click the link below to get instant access. In this course, you'll find out the steps that successful businesses, entrepreneurs and brands use to convert visitors into customers. If you want to make money online, then the very best way to do that is to sell a product. And if you want to sell as many products as possible, then you need to use a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a tried and tested method for capturing the maximum number of visitors and getting them to buy from you. This is all about building a relationship, building interest and building trust. When you do this correctly, you will gradually warm your visitors up to the point where they're ready and excited to buy from you, and that can make a huge difference to your conversions and your profits. Why isn't everyone implementing a sales funnel? The problem is that 90% of internet marketers aren't doing this correctly right now. The best explain why a sales funnel is important. Let's imagine a scenario for a moment. Imagine that someone approached you in the street with the offer to buy a watch for $5,000. There's a 99.99% chance you would just turn them down. Why? Because you don't know anything about them. You're not ready to spend that kind of money. You're probably not in a position to buy a watch. The list goes on. When you're an internet marketer with a website that is all about selling, that's exactly how you come across. Your audience doesn't know you, they're not targeted, and they're not ready to buy. A sales funnel though means that you're going to focus not on selling but instead on getting their details, then gradually increasing their engagement and selling them increasingly expensive items. They'll gradually trust you more and become more interested in buying more things from you. Then, when you try and sell them that $2,000 course, you'll actually have a chance of success. This is something that the sales industry has known for decades. This is the way you sell big-ticket items, and it's how you see massive increases in your revenue. What's the solution? You could study many hours, days, even weeks on how to best implement a sales funnel, or you could learn and model from those who have done it already. That's why I wrote a guide on sales funnels. Let me introduce you to discover the secrets to creating a sales funnel that turns leads into high-ticket customers. All you have to do is just click the link below to get instant access.